Good morning coffee lovers, and welcome to a coffee video that's made all about this beautiful almond milk mocha. So if you want to make a coffee like this, make it for yourself in the comfort of your own home, then watch this video. I'll show you exactly how to do it, save yourself a few quid and don't have to buy it from the coffee shop. Enjoy! Okay, so let's get on with our almond mocha. First of all, I'm going to prepare the shot and then we're going to get the milk steamed. So same as usual, this is 18 gram dispense, it's on grind size 6, I think it's 14.4 seconds, something like that. And we're going to level, tamp and wipe, there we go. And I'm just going to put this to one side for a moment while we get our milk ready. Okay, so steaming milk for a mocha, really what we're looking for is cappuccino milk. First thing that I'm going to do is get the machine ready, so I'm going to switch on the steam arm first so that we get rid of any water inside and we just have steam. So while that's going, I'm going to pour the milk, and it's just underneath the lip there, at the bottom of the lip, that's the level of the milk. I'm going to get this beautiful dark chocolate sauce, I'm going to pour that in. Really nice, rich, dark chocolate flavours. Got some nice steam. And so we're just putting the lip or the bottom of the steam arm inside the milk to make those nice chirpy noises. You hear that? We're going to steam up to about 140, so it lands on 150. I'm going to agitate this because I really want to mix in the chocolate sauce to give it that really rich flavour. As we start to get up to temperature, we start to see the foam appearing on top. We'll move it round, make sure that we're all nicely mixed in. Make sure we get a bit more foam. Okay, so we're coming up to 140. Knock the steam off. You can see beautiful silky coloured foam on top there. Those nice chocolate colours coming through. Okay, so purge, really important. Knock any milk out of the steam arm. Pop the group handle on, cup underneath, and we'll get ready to pull the shot. As soon as the system inside the coffee machine allows me that, there we go, it's lit up now. Knocking the shot on. Now we have to keep doing what we call surfing, which is swirling the milk so it doesn't clump. And it's really good to rest the milk because then you get that nice settling. So the foam rises to the top. There, the foam starts to rise up. and heavier milk at the bottom. So with the mocha, the same as a cappuccino, what we're trying to achieve is 1/3 coffee, 1/3 milk, 1/3 foam. So a nice good head of foam. And once we've layered that on top, we can put a bit of cappuccino dusting on top, and we should have absolutely perfect mocha. Cool, we're ready for the pour. Okay, so we're ready to pour this bad boy. First thing I'm going to do is swirl that espresso round the cup so I get a nice ring at the top. I'm going to lean the cup. I wish I could do it the other way around, but if I do it that way, I'm going to block you with the milk, and if I do it the other way, I block you with the cup. Okay, nice swirling round so we get a nice ring. Starting on an angle, so tip the glass, so that the cup rather, so that the espresso is right to the edge. Bring the milk in and tipping, and I just give it a nice wobble. There we go. And we get that beautiful ring. Nice ring of coffee around the edge, the chocolate in the middle, and we'll put a dusting on top. Okay, so here we have it. Beautiful ring of crema around the outside. The foam, mocha foam in the middle. I'm going to pop some dusting, just a sprinkling. Gotta be careful because I've just refilled this. And there we have it. One almond milk mocha. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight into the taste test. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So what we've got is that lovely taste of almond milk, that beautiful taste of espresso, and the bittersweet taste of the chocolate sauce, the dark chocolate sauce, which is a perfect combination. Really, I would have said it was an autumn drink. However, the weather is not great outside. It's August, it's rainy, it's not very warm. So a mocha is absolutely perfect for this time of year. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you want to see some more, and give us a like. Put a comment, let us know how you got on when you made it yourself. Thank you very much guys for watching, and I will see you next time.